ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ತನ್ನ ಅನನ್ಯ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಉಪಕ್ರಮ ಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಟಾನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ರೋದ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತಲೇ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಶೀರ್ಷಿಕೆ ತನ್ನದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ ಬಜಾಜ್ ಅಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಅತಿದೊಡ್ಡ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಲ್ಬಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಚಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜನರು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಬಾಹ್ಯಾಕಾಶದ ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಇಸ್ರೋಗೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದರು. ಇಸ್ರೋ ತಂಡ ಮತ್ತು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗದ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ನಟಿ ತಾಪ್ಸಿ ಪನ್ನು ಅವರ ತಂಡವು ಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಟನ್ನ 4ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯ ನೇತೃತ್ವ ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೊಸ ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಶೀರ್ಷಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಪಡೆದಿದೆ. ಭಾರತದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಖಾಸಗಿ ಜೀವ ವಿಮಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾದ ಬಜಾಜ್ ಅಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಂದು ಚಂದ್ರಯಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಸೌರ ಮಿಷನ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ L1 ಮೂಲಕ ಗಮನಾರ್ಹ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಬಾಹ್ಯಾಕಾಶ ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನ ಆಚರಿಸಲು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಶ್ರೀ ಕಂಠೀರವ ಹೊರಾಂಗಣ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂತಕಾನ್ನ 4ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಂತಕಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಅಭಿಯಾನದ ಆಚರಣೆಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಮಾಡುವ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಇಸ್ರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ಭುತ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಲು ಭಾರತೀಯರನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿಸಲು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟರಿ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇದು 100% ಕಾಟನ್ ನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. 0 ರ್ಯಾಷಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 100% ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೂಪನ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಖರೀದಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಖರೀದಿಸಲು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ 7996827256 79968272256.
Ladies and gentlemen, we urge you to do it along with the Zumba team, Nisha, and your expert team of dancers. Thank you, Jaggi, for walking us through the finer details of the plank. Ladies and gentlemen, here are a few quick announcements before we actually get into the plank. Do I have everyone's attention? Put your hands up. Do I have your attention?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Start. All right, everyone. We are officially in the challenge. Remember to do it right. Hold your bodies up.
In honor
of our ISRO heroes. I'm very happy they called me for something which is combination of health and something good for our country, because I think this is one way of celebrating what all ISRO has been doing over years for our country. And me having had ISRO in my filmography in some way because of Mission Mangal, I think I feel very lucky that I had that film in my filmography, because of which I could be here. I think this is, at that time I could not come for shooting, we couldn't come to ISRO or to Bangalore to meet ISRO scientists. So I think this was a nice way, after years I could at least come and be on the same stage. It kind of feels like, okay, we really got lucky that we have them in our country to make us proud every time. Anything else that I can say? How was your association with the plan? I just said that, you know, the way they have combined health with doing something good, I mean, they're giving us a way to start our journey, our health trip. Maybe we can start from today, whoever has not done this before, and the ones who have done it before can probably set a new benchmark. And what better to have a reason to do it where we know it's going to go, whatever we're going to do is going to help ISRO just keep getting bigger and better in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Waiting to know the verdict of our performance here today. Can I request our adjudicator from Guinness World Record, Mr. Rishi Nath, to join us on stage as well. We did well, everyone, and I'm feeling very confident that both our online and offline performance has been really worthy of planking for the aces. So come on, let's hear it. Finally, we need to know, Mr. Nath, what is it? Have we beaten the record or not? Have we set a record or not?
It was a tough call, to be honest. It was a very, very tough. As you can see, the plank position itself is quite a tough posture to assume. And we have very strict guidelines that need to be followed for the online album.
But before you, Mr. Nath, before you give us the verdict, I want to see what the audience poll is on this one. Okay, do you think you beat the set a record? Yeah! What about you guys? Mr. Nath, this audience is very confident.
Well, overwhelming response, and I would say that yes, the record has been broken. So congratulations. So I'll just give you a brief background. This is a new category, and the benchmark was 5,000. What was achieved is 5,194. So it's a brilliant achievement. Thank you very much. And now I would like to make the certificate presentation.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. Gentlemen, what a wonderful effort it has been. We have set a record for the largest online video plank album with 5,194 entries, everyone. We're in the Guinness Book of World Records. The aces are true heroes of the country.
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.